Hello there, art friends. Today, we're going to be making a steam train. And on that steam train will be some things from our dreams. Now, first thing we need for a steam train is a track for it to go on. We're going to use the marker tool, go all the way down to the color black, and draw in the lines of our track. Do a line here. Now, if it's a little wibbly wobbly, that's okay. And we'll do a line here. I almost forgot. Remember, these steps can be done on SeeSaw or on paper. Let's draw in the lines of our track. It's kind of going to look like a ladder on its side. But what we're drawing in is a train track for our steam train to travel on. Now, what we need is the steam engine. Let's choose a color. I think, you know what? I'm going to have my dream steam train be blue. I'm going to draw a rectangle. Let's start with a rectangle. I'll do my best to color that in just a second. Let's go ahead and put the steam pipe on there with another rectangle. And let's add in where the engineer of the steam train's going to be. Right there. We could maybe draw a little friend there. I'm going to have some really big wheels. I may have put that closer to the track, but that's okay. For my wheels, let's go with purple. And let's do some circles for wheels. Doing our best to get them close to the steam track. Now, let's go ahead and draw in our passenger cars. We're going to need some rectangles for these. How about one rectangle? How about two rectangles? And let's go back to purple and get those wheels in there. Now, it is a bit tricky to do this on SeeSaw, but do your best to get those circles in there, or if you'd like to use your shape tools to make this using rectangles and circles, you can go ahead and use different shape tools if you'd like. Might be a little easier for you, but I like to draw them out. Let's go ahead and connect our train cars. Now, in each of the train cars, we want to put something from our dreams, something that might be impossible. So in one train car, you know what? I'm going to have a whole bunch of captured stars. From the night sky, maybe even all of them could be a bunch of different wishing stars. And on the second train car, I think I'm going to put in, you know what? I'm going to put in a tiny dinosaur. Now, again, if you want to draw these out on paper instead of on SeeSaw, please do your best. But I'm trying to draw them on SeeSaw to give you all an example of how you can draw on SeeSaw tools as well. Let's give that dinosaur some spots, because why not? Notice how I've been using my colors in different ways. We can switch our colors up. We can capture different things. Now, to show that it's a steam engine, we're going to have to get some steam coming out of the steam pipe. So how about we switch up? Let's use this one. And for steam, let's do just a little cloud of steam coming out with a gray. And let's have little clouds going back. Little cloud. Little cloud. I'm going to use the highlighter tool to color them in. I like using the highlighter tool to color it in. Let's get a little, that'll be fine. Let's do our best to color in those steam clouds. Let's do our best to color in our steam train. Let's do some purple for the purple wheels. And if I go outside my lines, that's okay. Let's do some blue for the steam engine. Now, seeing as how we want to see inside of our train cars, let's keep those. Oh, I did a little over there. That's all right. Let's keep those train cars just like this. But how about for the steam engine? Go ahead and fill it in with our blue. Now, remember, the key to this is our shapes, our lines, and combining them all together to make our steam train in some interesting forms. We've got our lines down there to make our train tracks. We've got our rectangles and our circles put together to make our train. We're combining our different forms together for this project as best as we can. Let's go ahead and add a little more color to these wishing stars. And how about we add a little bit more color to my dinosaur? Let's go with that. Ooh, a light green will be nice. There we go. By combining our rectangles and our circles, we've created a steam engine, a steam train that is carrying things from our dreams. Steam train, dream train. Now, when you're all set with your drawing, make sure to answer your art questions on the left. What is the name of your steam train? I think I'm going to name this the Dream Express. And what is your steam train carrying? I think I've got some wishing stars in there and a tiny dinosaur. I can't wait to see the amazing steam trains, the amazing dream trains that you make, art friends. And I hope you have a great day.